Hey, from sometime from the beginning of this year, Microsoft has changed their default font to Aptos. So that's kind of annoying me. It was earlier Calibri, and I liked Calibri, but now it is Aptos. So it's default. So in Microsoft Outlook and Word, it's coming by default. So this video is about how to change this to back to whatever you want. So in my case, I will change it back to Calibri. So what do you need? This is Outlook, a new email window. Open a new email screen and then get some text. This is just to show you, and you can see this is Aptos is the font now. Now, if you go to change styles, it's in format text and then change styles. Then you can see fonts, and you can see that it is Aptos now as the default font. Now change it to whatever you font you want. I'll change it to Calibri in my case, and then go to change styles again. Then click on set as default. This would change your font back to Calibri or whatever font you want, and that would be default. Now moving to Word. We'll move Word here and then get some text here. Just pull some random text using this command. Now you can again see this is Aptos as the default font. Now what you need to do is go to define tab and then fonts. Again here it's selected as Aptos, but change it to Calibri. You can move it to Arial if you want, or Corby, Candara, or I think you can even choose, yeah, there's a full list of fonts. Now I'll select Calibri and then go to font again. No, it's here. Click on set as default. We'll ask this, click on yes. From going forward, it will come in Calibri or whatever the font you have chosen. So that's the video. If you are also annoyed by this change, do this to change it back to whatever the font you want. Thank you for watching. See you in another one. Bye bye.